أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today we are going to make sweet rice. That's Zarda or savory rice. So here I've got all the stuff to make the sweet rice. Food colors, almond flakes, butter, raisins, coconut flakes, the rice, the sugar, and cardamom powder. Okay, so first we are going to boil the rice. The rice has been soaked for 1 hour. It's a basmati rice. Okay, so we added the rice and we're going to boil it. So you need to boil the rice the way you boil it for the biryani. Okay, now we have the three colors: the orange, the green, and the red. So we have a very small amount, and now we're going to add milk to each bowl and mix it. Okay, so that's your colors. We added one teaspoon of milk to each bowl. You either need 3 separate spoons, or once you use 1 spoon, then you wash it and do the other bowl, so the color don't mix. The rice, as you can see, is now done. So you're going to drain the water out. So that's the rice in the strainer. Wait for the water to drain out. Right, so in another pot we're going to add a little bit of water and add our sugars and mix it. Okay, now add the butter. Okay, so once your sugar and butter melts and you get the one string consistency, then you add your rice. Okay, so let the sugar and the butter dry out a bit. Okay, so you add all your dry fruits in the center and cover it with the rice, like so. Now you add your colors. And now we're going to put aluminium foil on it. And then you put your lid on the smaller gas on a very low flame. This is known as the dum. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes on the gas. We now turn the gas off and we'll give it a rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and our sweet rice is now ready to serve. Okay, so that's the rice done. As you can see, this is how it should come out, grain by grain, not sticky. You know, if you get the formula wrong, what happens is you get you know, like how do I describe it, like a potato mesh. So this is like, you know, you can see each grain is separate. You see, this is how it should come out. And now let's try. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really tasty, or really delicious, and really nice. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.